Health problems related to the prostate are common in men, especially as they get older. The CDC says that in 2019, prostate cancer was the second most common cancer in men. Benign prostatic hyperplasia, which is an enlarged prostate, affects about half of all men between 51 and 60 years old. This number rises to 80% for men over 70, according to Yale Medicine. Many factors can affect prostate health. Some important risk factors, like age, where you live, and family history, cannot be changed. However, there are other risk factors that are less understood but are linked to prostate cancer, which can be addressed. These include diet, obesity, and exposure to chemicals. While we know that some foods might be harmful to prostate health, we don't fully understand why. Join us as we explore 10 specific foods you should be cautious about, helping you make informed choices for a healthier prostate and a better quality of life. Let's dive in. For a long time, people thought that the cholesterol in eggs was bad for our health. However, the truth is that dietary cholesterol has little effect on the cholesterol levels in our blood. Instead, other parts of eggs may affect prostate health over time. Recent studies show that choline, found in eggs, and its byproduct, betaine, can increase the risk of prostate cancer, which can be serious. If you're finding this information useful, please hit the like, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with my latest health and nutrition tips. Caffeine has a similar problem to alcohol because both can increase how much you urinate and act as diuretics. Additionally, caffeine can irritate the urinary tract, causing symptoms that alcohol doesn't. People with lower urinary tract symptoms should avoid drinks and foods that contain caffeine, including coffee, herbal teas, sports drinks, and other beverages. These can lead to issues like urine incontinence, urgency, and frequent urination. Spicy foods can be harmful to the prostate, especially for people with urinary problems. Chili and other spicy dishes can irritate the urinary system, similar to how coffee does. They may make any urinary symptoms you have worse, like urgency and incontinence. Instead of just avoiding spicy foods, consider taking prostate supplements to help reduce bladder sensitivity. Saturated fat can cause a lot of inflammation in the body. It not only increases inflammation, but also produces strong inflammatory substances. Cancer grows well in an inflamed environment, as inflammation helps fuel the growth of new prostate cancer cells. Because of this, it's not surprising that saturated fat raises the risk of prostate cancer. In other words, people who consume a lot of saturated fat may have a more serious condition and experience faster progression of prostate cancer. People who eat a lot of salty foods for better flavor are more likely to have prostate-related symptoms. High sodium intake can make problems like a weak urine stream and not fully emptying the bladder worse. It can also increase symptoms like frequent urination and waking up at night to urinate. That's why it's best to avoid sodium when you can and use spices instead. Spices are less harmful and offer added benefits, such as anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that salt doesn't provide. This is bad news for cheese lovers, as dairy products can have two harmful ingredients for prostate health over time. This includes milk and cheese. When we eat cheese, we get both calcium and choline. Most cheeses are made from whole milk, which means they also contain saturated fats. Additionally, salty cheese tends to taste better, so it is often high in sodium. As cancer rates rise worldwide, concerns about both unprocessed and processed red meat have increased. Eating a lot of red meat may raise the risk of prostate cancer. Prostate cancer is most often linked to red meat that is cooked at high temperatures, especially when it's well done or pan-fried. The exact reason isn't clear, but it's likely related to certain harmful substances called heterocyclic amines found in red meat cooked this way. Processed foods have been linked to an increased risk of various types of cancer, including prostate cancer. Studies indicate that a higher consumption of processed foods correlates with a greater likelihood of developing this disease. The risk is particularly concerning due to the nature of these foods, which often contain unhealthy additives, preservatives, and excessive amounts of sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. To promote better health and reduce the likelihood of prostate cancer, it's advisable to minimize processed food intake and focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods that support overall well-being. Many commercial salad dressings lack nutritional value and can even be detrimental to your health. Most store-bought options are heavily processed, often containing preservatives and artificial ingredients that can detract from the overall benefits of your salad. Additionally, these dressings frequently have high levels of salt and saturated fats, which contribute little to your health and can lead to issues like hypertension and elevated cholesterol levels. Instead of relying on these processed dressings, consider making your own or opting for healthier alternatives such as using spices and olive oil. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and possesses anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can support prostate health and enhance overall well-being. Incorporating fresh herbs and spices into your salads not only elevates flavor, but also boosts the nutritional profile of your meals, making them a more wholesome choice for maintaining good health. Consuming excessive amounts of alcohol can have detrimental effects on your overall health, particularly concerning prostate health. Research suggests that alcohol can exacerbate lower urinary tract symptoms, which include issues like a blocked urinary tract, difficulty fully emptying the bladder, and challenges in initiating urination. These symptoms can significantly impact daily life and well-being. Additionally, alcohol functions as a diuretic, leading to increased urination and potential dehydration, which can be particularly problematic for individuals dealing with prostate cancer. The combination of these effects underscores the importance of being mindful of alcohol consumption. For those who wish to maintain optimal prostate health and alleviate urinary symptoms, it is advisable to limit heavy drinking or consider abstaining from alcohol entirely. Thank you for joining me in today's exploration of the 10 foods that can be extremely harmful to the prostate gland. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming videos packed with health tips and insights. Take care of yourself and your health, and we'll see you in the next video.